Here I would like to talk about the birds of Laredo. These are all birds that have both been familiar to us and have also probably made Laredo very famous for bird watchers all over Texas. I hope you've seen these around, and if you haven't, well, that's my job. You'll get to see, I hope, some of their talents, what they do in nature as their behavior, and what they look like so you can easily identify these things and name them. These videos are all mine, but the pictures unfortunately had to be copied off the internet because I couldn't bring my camera. But other than that, it's all my work. I will just get started soon, so just brace yourselves. House sparrow. Greater roadrunner. Muscovy duck. Northern mockingbird. Do be noted that not all of these have videos. Common ground dove. Mallard duck. Great-tailed grackle. This will show you some of their flocking and eating habits. Killdeer. Great Kiskadee.
This is awesome. Hey, this is a yellow throat.
As you can see, I'm trying to identify this and get their attention.
Oh, green jay.
Red blackbird. Red-winged blackbird. In spring, the males come first to establish a series of ranches on reeds, and they sing their loudest as the females come by. It makes quite a harem. Turkey vulture. Northern cardinal. American coot. Brown-headed cowbird. These are brood parasites, laying their eggs in other nests. And everything wrong. Mourning dove. Like a Mexican cardinal. Great egret.
Hoovering stuff that will take care of
it. Brown ibis. Belted kingfisher. Green jay, my favorite. You can't quite see it, but trust me, it's there.
Make a noise or something.
That's my father trying to
throw something so that it moves.
this is generally what they sound like. That's a house finch. Its favorite food is the weeds in your lawn. So welcome it.